Hi everyone, welcome. In this video I'll show you how to do this edge or this trim for this top. This is my sweet and nutty top. I have already done the body and now I am on my first slip, and here I'm going to show you how to do this trim. See, and here I have already done 2 rows with smaller needle, 2.5 millimeter needle, and now I'm ready to do this step, right? So in the next round, here's my marker, beginning of the round marker, and here we're gonna do this. So here first you wanna slip the first stitch, slip the next stitch, and you wanna look below of this current stitch, and you wanna pick up this second stitch or loop 1 2. You wanna pick up this and place it on your left hand needle and knit it and pass this stitch over this knitted stitch, right? That's the repeat. You wanna slip the next stitch and you wanna come below one stitch of this, one stitch below of this stitch, and pick up this loop and knit it and pass this slip stitch over this knitted stitch. Again slip and pick up this second loop and knit it and pass over. Slip knitwise, always knitwise, and pick up this loop, second loop, and knit it and pass over. Slip, pick up this loop and knit it and pass over. Continue doing this until you finish this round.